Welcome to this video on formatting. Myself Nimisha Philip from Data Semantics. The marks card has many options for formatting, including color, size, marks type. Even if there isn't a field on one of these shelves, it is possible to click on a shelf and adjust that property. In this example, there is nothing encoded in size, but we can still increase the size for the marks. The color shelf controls the color, but also things like borders. Labels have a lot of options. Let us click on its shelf to open it. Ticking this box will turn labels on in this view, the same as clicking the label button in the toolbar. We can alter the display labels to reflect what we want. Dragging a field to the label shelf adds the label and makes this text option available. This is a powerful window, but only fields that have been added to the label shelf are available to use. Labels can be turned on for specific actions such as highlights or for specific points as min or max. They can also be applied across the entire table, per pane, line, etc. It is possible to turn on or off for a specific mark label in a view by right-clicking on the mark and selecting Mark Label and selecting the behavior as desired. The best way to add additional information is through use of annotation or tooltips. Annotations are text boxes used to call out specific mark or a point or an entire area in a view. A mark annotation stays in the mark itself, regardless of whatever changes are made on the view. A point annotation stays in the same relative position on the view, independently of the mark, as does an area annotation. To add an annotation, right-click, select Annotate. In this case, we will choose Mark. Like labels, they have fields added to them as dynamic inputs. The size and position and format can be adjusted. Single click on the annotation brings up a handle that lets us control the dimension and position. To format the text annotation, simply double-click to bring up the editor. We could also right-click and select Edit. To format the annotation, right-click and select Format. The box can be adjusted in several ways, so as the lines. Edit and Format can both impact the visual of a feature, but they can control different things. Edit is usually content, format is generally layout. If you are ever having trouble finding a specific element and both edit and format are available, try checking other place. Tooltips can be a powerful analytical tool providing additional information when the viewer hovers over a mark or clicks on a mark. Tooltips are very customizable. Here's an example of heavily formatted tooltip providing a lot of information. Any field in the view can be displayed in the tooltip. Fields not part of the view can be brought to the tooltip shelf. Let's say number of records. You see a tooltip icon added to the mark shelf. Now let's add it here. The marks consist of, you can insert the added market.